Hi, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐥𝐢𝐻, a former student of Jodan College of Technology, Thika main campus. I pursued a course in fashion and design from 2022 to 2025.
Hi, I'm 𝐂𝐤𝐢𝐻𝐿𝐿. I studied at Jodan College of Technology, Thika main campus. Nilisomea huko fashion design.
Hi, I'm 𝐓𝐨𝐰𝐻𝐚𝐧, a student from Jodan College. I joined Jodan last year and did a short course on fashion and designing.
My experience at Jodan College of Technology has been good since the school has good working environment and competent teachers. This has enabled me to open my own fashion studio in Thika, Runda, and the name of the business is Smartwear, whereby I sew women clothes, school uniform, and men clothes. Thank you to my trainers who have enabled me to become who I am today.
My experience in Jodan was very well. We had a good learning environment, good tutors. They are so dedicated. I would highly recommend Jodan College of Technology because with the skills you get at Jodan, there's no need even for attachment. You just go and open your own business. We've opened our own business and we are currently successful, all thanks to Jodan College.
Huko kuna experience poa, unatrainiwa everything. Like unaweza toka tu shule ukuje ufungue business yako. They have the best tutors. Niliingia hiyo shule 2022. I graduated last year, August. Nikafungua business February. And it's blooming, naona iko poa. So welcome all, come on, come all. We'll train with the best. Thank you, our tutors. They did their best to train us, they shaped us.
These are some of my designs that I've been able to sew. Thanks to Jodan, and I love Jodan.